What's up, guys? So today we're gonna fix this van. It's got a hole in the exhaust. I replaced it last year, about a year ago, maybe more, with a JB Weld kit. Worked great. However, one day, not too long ago, it popped. I was driving and I heard it literally go, and it popped. And so you can see there's the hole, and you can see the old clamps and the the wrap that I had before. So today I'm gonna redo it with metal. So for materials, I'm gonna be using this 26 gauge. This is exhaust pipe for like heating furnaces and stuff. Some of that, snips to cut that, some hose clamps. I probably won't need these because I've already got a couple. This red RTV high temperature gasket maker, and then this just an alternative. I think I'll use this one, and then some metal tape, and then I got the impact down below to tighten these puppies up. Cut off the seams. I'm not going to be using those. Work. Blow it off. No. Fuck is fucking hung up on something on the top. What the fuck? There it is. It's better. That's pretty good. Well, let's go start it up and have a listen, shall we? Alright, we'll turn it on now. It's probably been like 3 minutes or so since I put the stuff together, so hopefully don't blow out the caulk. It's pretty nice and quiet. Alright guys, well, thanks for watching. If you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment. Otherwise, yeah, if you want to do this job, I'm going to put all the tools that I used, everything is going to be linked in the description. Good luck and happy wrenching.